Hello, in this video, we will introduce reading input from the console. In the preceding program, we have the radios fixed. If you change the radios, you have to change the program, rerun the program. You can now let the user enter the input from the keyboard. This is what we're going to discuss in this video. To get the input from the keyboard, use the function input. Input with a prompting message right here. The result of the input is a string. You can then convert the string into a real number using the float function. So here's the program for the preceding problem, computing the area given the radius. So we're going to prompt the user to enter the radius. After the radius is received, it is now converted into a floating point number. So that's a real number assigned to radius. Compute the area, display the result. Now, this is the program here. Let's finish it. Input, enter a radius. I'm going to copy this to Python idle. So this is the one here. So now when you run this program, the prompting message here is enter a radius. Now I misspelled the radius. So let's change this and get this right radius. And let's run the program now. So this is the radius. Let's enter 20. And here's the result. And now you can run the program again. Enter radius is 1. So this is the result. So here's the prompting message, enter a radius, right here. When you prompt the user to enter an input, please always give a prompting message so the user knows what to enter. Back to this example. In live example, you can enter the input from the input box. So here you can put the 1 here and run this program, and this is the output. Let's look at the next example. You can enter multiple values. So here are the multiple values. I'm going to enter this 3 numbers, number 1, number 2, number 3. So let's write the code to enter the 3rd number. So there's 3 numbers. And we'll compute the average. So this is number 1 plus number 2 plus number 3 divided by 3. Now this is incorrect, because if you write it this way, number 3 divided by 3, and then this is all add together. So we're going to force this to add together and then divided by 3. You should write it this way with the parentheses to force the order of evaluation. Now, in the output box here, there's the input box for the live example, and you put all this input on different lines. So let's run this program from Python idle. So this is Python idle now. Copy and paste, save, run, you're going to enter numbers. Enter 1, 2, 3. And this is the average. If you have a lot of stuff to type, there's not enough space in the line, you can start the next line. So you can use the line continuation symbol right here, and which is same as this. You have 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, and then next line 5 plus 6, and now it's the same with this line continuation symbol. It is same as they are in one line. Most of the programs in early chapters of this book perform 3 steps: input, process, and output. This is called IPO. Input is to receive the input from the user. Process is to produce results using the input. Output is to display the results. So look at the example here for this. Compute the area and we get user input. Using the input, we compute the area and then we display the result. That is all for this section on reading input from the console. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.